Welcome back to Balls to the Wall, the show where we take track cycling out of the shadows and onto the boards and straight into your legs. If you love speed, precision, and that beautiful burn that only the velodrome can give you, you're in the right place. Let's go full gas. Our first section is about good news. Training is back. Track Cycling SA Club is training and we officially back. While not at the Belleville Velodrome, it's still closed. We are taking the action to the Paarl track once a week. Honestly, it's been a blessing in disguise. We know that the Paarl track is flatter, it's wider, and far less intimidating than the Belleville Velodrome. If you're a new rider or you're thinking about giving track a try, Paarl is the perfect place to start. No steep banking, no fear factor, just smooth laps, fresh air, and a supportive group around you. If you want to join us or try, you can line up for your first session. Just join us. We've got bikes to rent. So what does a typical track session looks like? Let me walk you through it. The standard Track Cycling SA Club training session starts with a warm-up. And this warm-up is about 15 minutes. We start easy, we chat, we get the arteries open, the legs open, and we're building confidence on the track. Then we go faster and we settle into the pace line and we get the heart rate up. After that, we do standing start activations. These are short, sharp efforts, 6 to 8 seconds. It's focusing on technique, stability, and explosive power. It's key for every pursuit, kilo, team sprint, and even for branch race accelerations. After that, we do intervals, we do interval blocks. This depends on if you're a sprinter or an endurance rider and on the time of the week. Aerobic endurance work and tempo pursuit style efforts, that's commonplace for us, or race-specific drills, and for the sprinters, sprint-specific workouts. The goal is simple. We're building strong, confident, and technically sound riders who can race smart and can race hard. Now, you might ask, what is happening to the race calendar? Well, we've got 2 league events in August and 2 more in September at Belleville Velodrome, assuming it opens on schedule. These form part of a Western Province Track League. And Max Velo will also be there with Pursuit invitation rides as part of my prep for the World Champs. But I'll be riding against some invitation riders and we're going to... In November, we hit the big one, the Western Cape Track Championships. It's also at Belleville. So if you're training with us, you'll be perfectly prepared for these events. If you're thinking about racing for the first time, now is the time to start. So if you want personalized coaching, structured training, and a clear plan to get faster on the track, I've got space for a few more riders in Max Velo coaching. Whether you're a master, a junior, or someone who wants to race with purpose, I'll help you with the program, assisting you with your schedule that's built towards your strengths. If you want to train harder, well, we all want to train harder, but if you want to train smarter, not harder, DM me coaching and I'll send you the details. This is Balls to the Wall, where we keep the sport alive, we keep the wheels turning, and keep pushing South African track cycling forward. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you at the track.